If you have 5 billion coins of Tectonic token, how much are you going to make if this coin delete 102030? Okay, now for me, Tectonic token still remain one of the best small cap coin. Now you need $661 in order to buy 5 billion coins of Tectonic. Tonic is still trading with about 6 zeros. Tonic just added 1 0 due to the drop in price. It has actually been trading with 5 0. So the coin just added another 0, making it 6 0. So I know very soon they will still delete out this 1 0 that just added. Now this coin, according to CoinMarketCap, have about $30 million market cap. According to CoinMarketCap, now deleting 1 0 means you will be having about $6,500 when this coin delete 1 0 with an investment of $660, right? Now deleting 2 zeros means you have about $66,050 profit. Imagine the kind of money you will make for Tectonic token to delete 2 zeros. But for 3 zeros, wow, over $660,000. Deleting 3 zeros, $660,000. I'll be going for 1 or 2 zeros. Imagine investing $661, and just 1 zero you're making about $6,000, or 2 zeros you're making about $65,000. This is a huge profit, right? This is definitely a huge profit. So what about 5 billion? Well, you can still invest 1 billion, 500 million, 100 million, 10 million coins. Just buy what your pocket can carry. Invest what you feel is okay for you. Okay, so for Tectonic, I still hope they will start attracting exchanges to start listing them. That is the major problem. They don't have many exchanges. You can only buy this coin on crypto.com or on VVS Finance. So this is why Tectonic needs a lot of listening right now for this to actually happen. They need a lot of listening. They also need a huge burning of Tectonic coins. So if they can achieve these two things, believe it, Tectonic will definitely be hitting massively. But please, before you go, remember this is not a financial advice, and please kindly like our video, support our channel by subscribing, liking our video, sharing our video. Drop your comment in the comment section below what you think about Tectonic token coin. Thank you.